Hey, I'm Victor Onashenko with Modern Metal Company. I want to show you guys what we're doing here today. We're out in Bentonville, Arkansas doing a stainless steel cable rail install. And if you want to follow along, I'll show you. We'll have stainless steel cable railing going around this deck, and the previous deck was just a simple wooden post system that we're taking out. So stay tuned, follow along. We're going to show you some cool updates. Here's a 3/4 inch by 3/8 socket set screw that we use for our leveling system. How we're gonna install this is just by setting that post up. You have your holes marked out. You're gonna find the highest point. So our post is gonna go this way. To simplify this, we're mounting the highest point first, and then we're bringing up all the low points to level. So that's simply it. So I'm just gonna find the highest point right now. So it wants to go that way. So we know that we're gonna start on that side. And it wants to come back. So now our highest point is this first corner. And then we're gonna work in a clockwise direction. So we're gonna set that first. We're gonna level this side. And then we're gonna fasten that screw. We're gonna level it this way. And then we'll fasten the screw and bring up the last set screw up to where it's touching and fasten that. In the Levaplate system, we're able to level now just by using a 3/8 inch Allen key. So I just leveled that. I'm gonna go a little bit past, just in case it cinches down. Perfect. And then you can make your final adjustment by tightening it up one more time. Any direction needed. Perfect. So we could have full control with micro adjustment in any direction without using shims and washers. If you take a look and see that gap, typically that would have a washer or a shim, and it would teeter when you're trying to level. But here we could completely level out this system and still have a ton of strength as nothing changes, and you're mounting directly through that adjustment. So just wanted to highlight that. This is a 4-inch Levaplate, and then our 4-inch Levaplate base cover. Traditional way has been used for 100 years using shims and washers, and our solution here fixes that. So